Welcome to the Ministry of AI podcast, where we dive deep into the latest advancements and research in the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're exploring a fascinating paper titled A Tutorial on Teaching Data Analytics with Generative AI by Robert L. Bray. Let's dive in. In the era of unstoppable technological advances, educators face an exciting yet challenging landscape, especially when it comes to integrating AI, like ChatGPT, into the curriculum. Robert L. Bray's paper addresses precisely this, specifically how large language models, LLMs, can revolutionize data analytics education for MBA students. The problem was clear. How do we incorporate LLMs into a classroom effectively without rendering the entire course obsolete? Bray turned this potential disruption into an opportunity, pioneering methods that leverage AI to parallelize teaching and learning processes. His paper guides instructors on how to transform traditional teaching methods by embedding AI into the very fabric of education. Imagine students interacting with custom, purpose-driven AI models to independently learn and then share knowledge with peers, essentially decentralizing learning within the classroom while enriching it. Some of the standout innovations from Bray's research include the Programming in English, PIE, approach. In this paradigm, students provide descriptions in natural language, which are then translated into R code by AI. This innovation significantly improves productivity and creativity, allowing students to focus on their analytics tasks rather than the intricacies of coding syntax. One of the most fascinating techniques described is a classroom activity called AI obstacle courses, where students must run between AI-powered stations to complete tasks. This not only makes learning more interactive, but also deeply ingrains analytical concepts in a fun, engaging way. These AI-powered methodologies have demonstrated a profound increase in student engagement and satisfaction. Through these participatory methods, students transition from rote learning to an immersive, interactive learning experience, exponentially boosting their analytical skills and understanding. Despite the exciting progress, challenges persist. For instance, while AI can elevate learning, there's a risk of over-reliance, potentially undermining foundational skills. It becomes paramount to balance AI-assisted learning with fundamental skill development. The ramifications of these findings are profound. Besides transforming how data analytics is taught, this approach can potentially overhaul education in other fields. By implementing AI in classrooms, we aren't just preparing students for today's workforce, but are equipping them with the skills to thrive in the AI-driven future. For businesses, it means a new breed of data analysts who combine computational efficiency with strategic insights. In conclusion, Bray's work not only underscores the transformative potential of AI in education, but also reshapes the notion of teaching and learning broadly. This research opens up a realm of possibilities, from hands-on AI-based tutorials to more creative, real-world applications, potentially redefining traditional educational paradigms. Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free courses at the Ministry of AI. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time.